Hi guys, welcome back. If you are someone who wants to experience the classic feel of Windows 7, or maybe you are trying to run some old software, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to install Windows 7 as a virtual machine inside your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. So first we need to download the Windows 7 ISO file, but as you might know, Microsoft has officially archived Windows 7. But don't worry, I will show you how to get the ISO file for free. Okay, so you need to open the link that I have given in the description below, and it will open this archive.org site, and here you will get Windows 7 ISO. And on the right hand side, under the download option sections, you will see ISO image. Click on it and you will see a list of files. You will find both 32-bit and 62-bit version of Windows 7. So based on your system, choose the one that's right for you. Okay, I am going to download the 64-bit version, so I will click on that. The download will start immediately, and the file size is around 3 GB, so it might take some time depending on your internet speed. So just be wait and let it finish. Okay, next we need a software that lets us run Windows 7 inside Windows 11, and for that we will use VirtualBox. Open your web browser to type VirtualBox and go to the VirtualBox website. Click on the download button. Choose the package for your operating system, whether it is for Windows, macOS or Linux. I am going to click the link for Windows host to download the installer for Windows. Once downloaded, double click the installer file to begin the installation process. And here you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Just click next and it will install. It's very easy. Only stick to the default settings. Okay. Once completed, click finish. Now we have both the Windows 7 ISO and VirtualBox ready. Let's start the installation process. Now let's open the VirtualBox, and once it open, we need to click on new. This will start the virtual machine setup wizards. So here you need to name your VM. I will name it Windows 7. Under ISO image, select the Windows 7 ISO file you downloaded. Okay. You will see the type is set to Microsoft Windows and the version is Windows 7 64-bit. Perfect. Now check the box that says skip unattended installation, so we can install it manually. Now expand the hardware sections, and in the base memory set it to minimum 2 GB. You can allocate more if you have enough RAM. Okay, and in processor I am going to select 4 CPU cores. Now under hard disk, choose a create virtual hard disk now and set the size to at least 50 GB or 30 GB. Then click on finish. Before starting, click on settings, then go to the display on the left side and set the video memory to maximum. Then click on OK. Our virtual machine is ready. Now it's time to install Windows 7 on it. So just click on start, and the VM will now boot using the ISO file, and you will see Windows is loading files. Let it load, and soon the Windows 7 installation screen will appear. And here you need to choose your language, time and currency format and keyboard input method, and click next. Click on install now to begin, and accept the license terms by checking the box. Then click next, and here you need to select custom for advanced installation. Now choose the disk, which will be the 50 GB virtual disk we created, and click next. Windows 7 will now go through several steps, means copying Windows files, expanding Windows files, installing features and updates, and completing installation. This whole process may take a while, and the system will restart couple of times during the process. So be patient and let the installer do their job. After the installation is complete, you will reach the Windows setup page. Here you need to set your username and computer name. Once done, click on next, and then set a password, which is optional, and you need to retype it, and also you need to put a password hint. And once done, click on next. If you have a product key, enter it here. If not, you can click on skip. Then choose the use recommended settings when prompted. And set your time zone, date and time. Then click next. Select home network when asked. After that, it will connect to your network, apply settings and prepare the desktop. After a few minutes, you will finally land on the Windows 7 desktop. It's such a nostalgic moment. The classic start menu, control panel and the default desktop wallpaper. Feels like 2010 again. To make it more usable, right click on the desktop, then go to the personalize, then choose change desktop icon from the left panel and enable icons like computer, network, etc. as you do earlier, right? Now one thing you will notice, Windows 7 is not running in full screen yet. You can see. To fix that, we need to install VirtualBox Guest Edition. So for that, from the VirtualBox top menu, click on Device. Then select Insert Guest Edition CD image. Then run the VirtualBox Guest Edition 7.1.2 setup. And follow the installation wizard, just click Next, Next and install. After it's done, restart your Windows 7 virtual machine. While login, type your login password to enter into Windows 7 screen. And you will notice improved performance and features like full screen mode. To enter full screen mode, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, or you can go to the view and select full screen mode. Then click on switch. And as you can see, we have a full screen Windows 7 installed inside our Windows 11 computer. Now do anything just like a normal Windows, okay? So that's it guys, this is how you can easily install Windows 7 on a Windows 11 PC using VirtualBox. You now have a working Windows 7 machine right inside your current setup. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple guides like this. And if you face any issue, drop a comment, I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.